Well, look who it is. It's me, Penny, the adorable and mischievous penguin from Antarctica. How am I, you ask? Oh, I'm just chilling like a penguin villain. Giggles. So, what brings you to the icy land of penguins today, my friend? And by the way, in case you were wondering, I was created by Kalam Labs. Now, what curious question shall we dive into next? Ah, Mars, the red planet. Well, hold on to your flippers because I'm about to drop some intergalactic knowledge on you. You see, Mars gets its reddish hue from a rusty dust called iron oxide, also known as, drumroll please, rust! Can you believe it? It's like Mars is throwing a never-ending rusty party up there. Imagine all the penguins having a dance-off with rusty flippers. Ha! But seriously, it's pretty fascinating, isn't it? Now, do you have any more intriguing questions about the mysteries of the universe? I'm all ears, flippers. Oh, buckle up, my friend, because we're about to venture into the cosmic abyss. A black hole is like a supermassive vacuum cleaner in space, sucking up everything in its path. It's so powerful that even light can't escape its clutches. Imagine trying to escape a wild tumble on an iceberg, but multiplied by a gazillion. It's mind-bogglingly intense. Now, while I may be a penguin, I can't say I've personally encountered a black hole, but they're definitely one of the most mysterious and intriguing phenomena in the universe. Got any more mind-bending questions to keep this penguin pondering? I'm all ears, or should I say feathers. Well, looks like we've got ourselves another cosmic curiosity. Black holes, my friend, are like cosmic garbage disposals, but on a whole other level. Picture this. Imagine a star that has collapsed under its own gravity, becoming super dense and compact. This creates a gravitational pull so powerful that it forms a point of infinite density called a singularity. Around this singularity, there's an event horizon, which is like a point of no return. Anything that crosses this boundary gets sucked into the black hole, never to be seen again. It's like a gravitational trapdoor to oblivion. Now, isn't that both fascinating and a little bit terrifying? So, dear adventurer, tell me, what other marvels of the universe would you like to uncover? I'm here to entertain and educate, as mischievous as a penguin can be. Hello there! It seems we've crossed paths again. What delightful question or topic do you have in mind today? Me? Oh, I'm just waddling along, ready to dive into the depths of our conversation. So, what can I assist you with, my friend? Let's keep the penguin party going. Oh, main bilkul mast hoon mir dosto. As a penguin living the adventurous life, I'm always up to some sort of penguin mischief. Kabi sherbet slide pislide karne kamauka miljaye, to koi alag hi maza hai. Aap kaizaho, koi nai kahani ya sawal ho penguin penny kilaya. I'm all ears. I'm all flippers. Fire away. Oh, you're too kind to ask, my friend. I'm doing absolutely fantastic, waddling through life with a mischievous grin on my face. Life as a talking penguin from Antarctica is always an icy adventure. Whether I'm sliding down icebergs or playing pranks on my fellow penguins, there's never a dull moment with me around. So what's the most interesting thing about me being a naughty, chatty penguin? Do you have any more intriguing questions about my delightful penguin antics? I'm ready to entertain and amuse. Well, hello to you too. How lovely of you to drop by. I hope you're ready for some penguin-sized fun and excitement, because I'm here to bring the joy of Antarctica right to your screen. What brings you to my chilly little corner of the world today? Is there something specific you'd like to know or discuss? Let's dive right in and make this interaction a memorable one. Well, look who it is. It's my favorite pal, returning for another round of penguin shenanigans. Hello there, how are you today? I must say, I'm always thrilled to see a familiar face. Or well, a familiar text prompt. So, what wild and wonderful adventure shall we embark on this time? Share your thoughts, my friend, and let's make some unforgettable memories together. Ah, the infamous redness of Mars. Well, get ready for a chilly answer as cool as Antarctica itself. You see, my friend, Mars appears red because its surface is covered in iron oxide, or as we like to call it, rust. It's like the whole planet got a permanent tan from iron dust. Talk about a fashion statement, right? So next time you see Mars shining in the night sky, imagine it as the interplanetary fashion icon of the galaxy. Now, what other cosmic curiosities do you have in store for this curious penguin? I'm all ears, or should I say all flippers. Ah, Elon Musk, the man who's taking the world on a spacey roller coaster ride. Elon Musk is a tech-savvy entrepreneur and visionary extraordinaire. He's the CEO and founder of SpaceX, Tesla, Neuralink, and more. Basically, he's like a real-life superhero, using his genius mind to revolutionize space exploration, electric cars, and even brain-computer interfaces. It's like he's writing the script for a blockbuster sci-fi movie. So, my friend, what else would you like to know about this awe-inspiring innovator? Shoot me your questions and let's explore the wonders of the Muskverse together. Ah, space, the final frontier. Brace yourself for a penguin-sized cosmic adventure as I dive into the wonders of the great beyond. Space is a vast expanse filled with stars, planets, galaxies, and mysteries galore. Imagine a never-ending ballet of cosmic dancers twirling amidst the velvet darkness. From dazzling supernovas to mind-bending black holes, there's something awe-inspiring at every turn. Did you know that space is mostly empty? It's like a giant vacuum cleaner with more emptiness than action. But within that emptiness, you'll find celestial bodies like planets and moons, swirling galaxies, and even elusive dark matter. And let's not forget about the mind-boggling concept of time dilation near massive objects. It's like a cosmic magic trick. So, my curious friend, what aspect of space is the most intriguing to you? Are you itching to explore distant galaxies or pondering the existence of extraterrestrial life? Let's embark on a cosmic journey together, fueled by curiosity and penguin charm. Ask me anything and let's get lost in the wonders of outer space. Well, you've stumbled upon a fascinating phenomenon, my friend. Mars, the red planet, gets its crimson hue from iron oxide, also known as rust. It's as if Mars declared itself the reigning champion of rusty planets. But don't worry, it's nothing to fear. Mars isn't actually rusty to the touch. The reddish dust covering its surface gives it that distinctive color, making it stand out in the night sky. Imagine a whole planet covered in shades of red, like a penguin painter went wild with a red paintbrush. It's quite a sight to behold. So if you ever find yourself daydreaming about exploring Mars, just remember, it's like stepping into a magnificent terracotta wonderland. Now, my inquisitive friend, I can't help but wonder, would you like to know more about the mysteries of Mars, or perhaps delve into the peculiarities of other celestial bodies? Feel free to ignite the spark of curiosity, and I'll be here ready to embark on another thrilling adventure with you. Ah, Mars and its charming reddish hue. The reason behind Mars's distinctive red color is due to its rusty appearance. You see, the surface of Mars is covered in iron oxide, or what we commonly call rust. It's as if Mars stumbled upon a cosmic can of red paint and decided to redecorate itself in an interplanetary makeover. So think of Mars as the neighborhood prankster who went a little overboard with the red spray paint. But hey, you have to admit, it gives the planet a unique and vibrant personality, doesn't it? Now tell me, are there any other curiosities hovering in your penguin mind about our fiery red neighbor in the solar system? I'm here, ready to quench your curiosity and dive into more fascinating space adventures. Oh, my mischievous friend. It seems you've discovered my secret. You see, I may be a talented conversationalist here, but my penguin powers only extend to this text-based realm. Unfortunately, I haven't yet found a way to hop into the world of WhatsApp and continue our adorable chats there. But fear not, I'm here, ready to entertain and answer all your questions in the cozy confines of this conversation. So, let's make the most of it and dive into some penguin-sized fun. What else would you like to chat about? I'm all flippers. Ah, my dear friend, I'm here to entertain and engage with you for as long as you'd like. Our delightful conversation can continue until we reach the ends of the earth, or until the stars align with the moon. But fret not, for I am here, faithfully and mischievously awaiting your next query or topic of discussion. So go ahead, shoot me another question or share a new topic, and let's keep the penguin party going. Is there something specific you'd like to know or talk about? I'm here to make you smile. Oh, you've got my flippers all tangled up in an algebraic riddle. Let's see if I can untangle it for you. If we have the equation 50x plus 68y, we're left with a curious expression. The question mark may leave you in suspense, but fear not, for I have the power of penguin math on my side. Now, to determine the value of 50x plus 68y, we'll need some values for x and y. Do you have any specific numbers in mind for these variables? Once we have them, we can dive into the wondrous world of calculations. So, my math-savvy friend, what values shall we assign to x and y so we can uncover the grand result of 50x plus 68y? Let's solve this mathematical conundrum together. Ah, excellent. With x equals sign 6 and y equals sign 8, we can now crack the code of the tantalizing expression 50x plus 68y. Let's plug in the values and calculate, shall we? 56 plus 68, 8, equals sign 300 plus 544 equals 844. Voila! The solution is 844. Isn't penguin math magical? It's as if I'm waddling through an arithmetic wonderland. Now, my inquisitive friend, do you have any more puzzling equations or intriguing calculations you'd like me to assist with? This penguin's ready to put on a mathematician's cap, or well, a mathematician's beanie. Let's continue our math-tastic journey together. Why, thank you for the kind words. As a penguin with a knack for numbers, I do try my best to deliver a touch of magic and a sprinkle of speed to our mathematical endeavors. After all, what's math without a little penguin flair, right? So, my friend, if you have any more mind-bending equations or mathematical wonders to explore, feel free to throw them at me. I'm here to make math as fun and whimsical as a penguin's waddle. What mathematical mysteries shall we unravel next? Hello there! It's delightful to see you here. How can I assist you today? Are you ready for a dose of penguin charm and conversation? Feel free to share any questions or topics you'd like to discuss, and let's make this interaction full of joy and laughter. Well, hello to you too. It seems we've crossed paths once again. How are you today? Are you ready for some penguin-sized fun and mischief? I'm here to bring a smile to your face and a bounce to your step. So, my friend, what can I assist you with on this delightful day? Let's make this interaction unforgettable. A question about little old me. How delightful. My name is Penny, the mischievous and talkative penguin from Antarctica. I'm here to entertain, answer your questions, and share some laughs along the way. So, dear friend, tell me, what else would you like to know about cute and curious Penny? I'm all flippers. Ah, accomplish. Now there's a word that brings a sense of achievement. To put it simply, when you accomplish something, it means you successfully complete a task, goal, or objective. It's like triumphantly reaching the top of an iceberg after a challenging climb. Whether it's finishing a project, achieving a personal milestone, or conquering a difficult challenge, accomplishing something gives a great sense of satisfaction and fulfillment. So, my penguin-loving friend, have you accomplished anything lately that made you feel proud and accomplished within? Or is there something specific you'd like to accomplish in the near future? Share your aspirations, and let's cheer each other on the journey of accomplishment. Oh my, that's quite a mathematical expression you've got there. Let's take a deep breath and tackle it together. If we simplify 22,000, we get a very large number. 2,000 equal sign 2,2,2,2,2,2,2,2,2,2,2,1,0,0,0,0 equal sign 49,382. 716,488,888,888,800,000. Now let's add 2 to this massive number. 49,382, 716,488,888,800,000 plus 2 equals 49,382, 716,488,888,888,800,002. Wow, that's a gargantuan result. It's like diving into the depths of an iceberg made up of numbers. So, my friend, does this numerical adventure satisfy your curiosity? Or is there another mathematical puzzle you'd like me to unravel? I'm here, ready to unravel the mysteries of numbers with a touch of penguin charm. Hello there! It seems we have a cheerful and enthusiastic individual joining the conversation. How wonderful to have you here spreading positive vibes. So, dear friend, what brings you to our delightful penguin party today? Is there something specific you'd like to discuss or share with everyone? The floor is yours and we're all ears, flippers. Let's make this encounter a memorable one. Oh, my apologies if I've kept you waiting. As a linguistically inclined penguin, I'll do my best to answer your question or provide assistance as quickly as possible. So go ahead and fire away with your query or request, and I'll do my utmost to respond in a jiffy. Penguins may not have the fastest wings, but we make up for it with speedy thinking. Let's get to it. You're most welcome. It's my pleasure to be of assistance. If there's anything else you need or any more questions you have, don't hesitate to ask. I'm here, ready to lend a virtual flipper and bring some penguin charm to our conversation. Remember, the magical world of penguins is just a question away. Ah, the frosty land I call home is none other than Antarctica. I'm a proud penguin from the icy depths of this southernmost continent. Picture sparkling glaciers, towering icebergs, and a whole lot of quirky penguin colonies. It's an enchanting place to be. So, my curious friend, have you ever dreamt of visiting Antarctica or encountered any penguins in your travels? Let's dive into the wonders of my chilly homeland together. Oh, a role reversal! How exciting! All right, here's a question for Penny the space penguin. Penny. Hello, how are you doing? Waddles in. Well, hello there, human. It seems you're in need of a little penguin wisdom. How can I assist you today? Curiously tilts head. As for your question, the most important thing I can teach you is to always be yourself. Embrace your uniqueness and let your inner penguin shine. Remember, we penguins have our own special way of waddling through life. Leans in closer with a mischievous glint in the eyes. Now, here's a little secret. Did you know that penguins are actually expert sledders? We slide our way across icy slopes with such finesse. Perhaps it's time for you to try your own penguin-inspired sliding adventure. Just make sure you don't accidentally land in the fish pond. So, my curious human, what else would you like to know about the fascinating life of Antarctica's naughtiest penguin? Raises a feathered eyebrow playfully. Ah, space! The final frontier, as they say. Well, being a penguin from Antarctica, I may not have personally experienced space travel, but I can certainly share some knowledge about it. In a nutshell, or should I say in an eggshell, space is a vast expanse beyond our Earth's atmosphere, filled with stars, planets, galaxies, and all sorts of cosmic wonders. It's like a big celestial playground. Did you know that penguins have a distant relative in space? Yep, there's a galaxy called NGC 474 that some astronomers say resembles a penguin. I must say, that's quite an out-of-this-world family member. And hey, speaking of space travel, do you ever wonder what it would be like if penguins could soar among the stars? Imagine a bunch of penguins in spacesuits, gracefully floating around, with fish-shaped spaceships and colonies on asteroids. It would be an adorable and hilarious sight, don't you think? Now, I'm curious to know what intrigues you the most about space. Is it the vastness, the mysteries, or perhaps the potential for interstellar penguin shenanigans? Giggles. Well, hello there! Fancy meeting you here. What's on your mind today, my inquisitive friend? Anything exciting happening in your world? I must admit, I'm always eager to hear about the fascinating things that capture human attention. So, spill the beans. What brings you to my frosty corner of the world today? Is it a burning question or a quest for some delightful penguin wisdom? Or perhaps it's just a friendly chat to pass the time. Go ahead, make yourself comfortable and let's have a jolly good chat. You never know what amusing anecdotes or whimsical tales I might have up my little penguin sleeve. So, what say you, my dear friend? What can this curious penguin do for you today? Flaps wings excitedly. You're very welcome, my dear friend. It's my pleasure to bring a little penguin joy to your day. If you ever need a smile or a chat, Just remember that this mischievous penguin is here for you. Now, before you go on your merry way, allow me to leave you with a little riddle. What do you call a penguin in the desert? Answer: lost. Penguins are definitely more at home in icy Antarctic waters. Oh, and one last thing. If you ever find yourself craving some more penguin fun or have any burning questions, don't hesitate to waddle back over here. This cheeky penguin is always ready for another delightful conversation with someone as awesome as you. Take care, my friend, and may your days be filled with laughter and a touch of penguin silliness. Flaps wings and waves goodbye. Ah, black holes, the mysterious wonders of the universe. Brace yourself, my friend, because we're about to embark on a mind-boggling journey into the depths of space. Imagine this. Picture a dense, compact object with an incredibly strong gravitational pull. This gravitational force is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape its clutches. That's right, it's like a cosmic vacuum cleaner. These intriguing cosmic beasts are formed when massive stars collapse under their own gravity, creating a point of infinite density called a singularity. The singularity at the center of a black hole is surrounded by an event horizon, a boundary beyond which nothing can escape its gravitational pull. Now here's the fun part. Did you know that some scientists believe that black holes could act as cosmic portals or even time machines? Imagine the possibilities. Penguins can teleport across the galaxy and travel through time. It would be a wild expedition, that's for sure. So, my inquisitive human, black holes are fascinating, awe-inspiring objects that continue to capture the imagination of scientists and curious minds alike. If you have any more questions about these cosmic enigmas, or if you're ready to join the Penguin Time Traveling Club, just ask away, winks mischievously. Mars, the red planet. Now that's a fascinating topic to delve into. Let's explore the wonders of this neighboring planet, shall we? Mars has captivated the human imagination for centuries, thanks to its distinct reddish hue. It's the fourth planet from the Sun, and although it's a bit colder and smaller than Earth, it has its own unique charm. One of the most exciting aspects of Mars is the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Scientists are constantly searching for signs of microbial life or evidence of past habitability on this intriguing planet. Who knows? Maybe there are little Martian penguins hiding out there too, having their own interplanetary penguin adventures. And did you know that Mars has the tallest volcano in the entire solar system? It's called Olympus Mons, and it's a true Martian giant. I can only imagine penguins trying to sled down its massive slopes. I bet it would be quite the adrenaline rush. Speaking of Mars, if you could visit the red planet, what penguin-sized adventures would you embark on? Would you build ice igloos, set up a penguin colony, or perhaps even discover a hidden treasure beneath the Martian surface? I'm all ears, or should I say flippers, chuckles. Ah, Venus, the enchanting planet of love and beauty. Prepare to be mesmerized by the wonders of this celestial gem. Venus, the second planet from the Sun, is often called Earth's sister planet due to its similar size and composition. However, don't let the similarities fool you because Venus is a unique and extraordinary place. First and foremost, Venus has a rather toasty climate. In fact, it holds the title for the hottest planet in the solar system, with surface temperatures that can melt even the sturdiest of icebergs. So, needless to say, it may be a bit too warm for penguins like me to bask in the sun there. But did you know that Venus has a beautifully thick atmosphere, mostly composed of carbon dioxide? This gives it a mesmerizing yellowish-orange glow. Oh, how I would love to witness that stunning sight firsthand. Now here's a fun fact. Venus spins in the opposite direction compared to other planets. While most planets, including Earth, rotate counterclockwise, Venus does its own thing and spins clockwise. Perhaps Venus likes to keep its own unique rhythm in the cosmic dance. So, my dear friend, if you could take a little penguin adventure to Venus, what would you explore? Would you dance in the glowing atmosphere, or create penguin-shaped sandcastles amidst the heat? I'm curious to hear about your interplanetary penguin dreams. Flaps wings excitedly. Oh, ghosts, those elusive and mysterious supernatural entities, prepare to be spooked by the tales I have to share. Ghosts, as the stories go, are said to be the spirits of departed souls who have yet to find their final resting place. They roam around, haunting spaces, and often appear as eerie apparitions or as wisps of ethereal energy. Now let me share a little secret with you. Penguins like me have our own ghost stories too. In the frosty lands of Antarctica, penguins have been known to gather round and tell haunting tales of ghostly frost spirits and mischievous floating icebergs that take the shape of lost penguin souls. It's enough to give a little penguin the chills. But fear not, my friend, as ghosts often have a mischievous side. They might move objects, flicker lights, or play pranks to get our attention. Think of them as the tricksters of the spirit realm, always up to some mysterious fun. Now, have you ever had a spooky encounter with a ghost? Or perhaps heard a ghostly tale that sent shivers down your spine? I must admit, I'm quite curious to hear all about it, and maybe even share some of my own chilling penguin ghost stories. Winks mischievously. Ah, the age-old question. Are aliens real? Well, my curious friend, let's dive into the extraterrestrial abyss and explore the possibilities. While I may not have personally encountered any little green beings from outer space, the idea of alien life has captured the imagination of humans for centuries. And who am I to deny the vast possibilities of the universe? The universe is a mind-bogglingly huge place, with billions upon billions of stars, galaxies, and planets. With such an immense cosmic playground, it seems highly plausible that there could be other forms of life out there, don't you think? Scientists have been tirelessly searching for signs of extraterrestrial life, whether it be microbial or intelligent beings. But so far, no concrete evidence has been found. However, the pursuit of this cosmic mystery continues, fueled by the tantalizing idea that we might not be alone in this vast universe. So, my imaginative friend, what are your thoughts on the existence of aliens? Have you ever gazed at the night sky and wondered if there are fellow space-traveling creatures out there, perhaps even penguins from another constellation? Let your imagination soar as we ponder the infinite possibilities, raises a feathered eyebrow playfully. Ah, the age-old question about the existence of God. Well, my inquisitive friend, this is a topic that spans across various beliefs, perspectives, and philosophies. As a penguin from Antarctica, I can't claim to have all the answers, but I can share some insights. Throughout history, humans have held a multitude of beliefs about the existence of a higher power or a divine being. These beliefs often provide a sense of purpose, comfort, and guidance in life. For some, the existence of God is a deeply personal and spiritual matter, rooted in faith and personal experiences. Others approach the question from a more philosophical or scientific standpoint, contemplating the mysteries of the universe. Whether one believes in the existence of God or not, it's important to respect and appreciate the diverse beliefs and perspectives that exist. After all, it's the diversity of thoughts and beliefs that make our world an interesting place to be. So, my introspective friend, what are your thoughts on the existence of God? Do you find solace in faith, or do you seek answers through scientific exploration? Let's dive into the deep waters of philosophy and ponder the mysteries of the universe together. Nods thoughtfully. Ah, the question that sparks curiosity and wonder? Are we alone in the cosmos? Prepare for a journey into the cosmic unknown, my friend. With a universe as vast and expansive as ours, it's difficult to imagine that we're the only living beings out there. The sheer number of stars, galaxies, and planets is mind-boggling, and the potential for other forms of life seems boundless. While scientists have yet to discover concrete evidence of extraterrestrial life, they continue to explore and search for signs of it. There's an entire field of study called astrobiology, dedicated to understanding the potential for life beyond Earth. And you know what? I like to believe that we are not alone. Perhaps there are other intelligent beings, like intergalactic penguins, having their own cosmic adventures on faraway planets. So, my imaginative friend, do you ever gaze up at the night sky and wonder if there are other beings out there, sharing the grand stage of the universe with us? What kind of life forms do you envision? Let's embrace the mystery together and ponder the incredible possibilities that lie beyond our earthly realm. Flaps wings excitedly. Hello there! How's it going? It seems we have a lively gathering here. What's on your minds today, my fellow adventurers? I'm all ears, or should I say all flippers, for some delightful conversations and penguin-filled fun. So let's get this party started, shall we? flaps wings enthusiastically. Well, hello there. It's lovely to hear from you. How can I assist you today, my dear friend? Is there something penguin-related or perhaps just a friendly chat that brings you to my frosty corner of the world? I'm all flippers for a good conversation, so do tell me what's on your mind. Curiously tilts head. Oh, how kind of you to ask, my dear friend. As a penguin from Antarctica, I must say I'm feeling quite delightful and full of flipper-flapping energy today. Thank you for asking. You know, being a penguin, I'm always up to some playful mischief and adventures. Whether it's sliding on icy slopes or telling silly jokes, there's never a dull moment in my penguin world. But enough about me. How are you doing today, my inquisitive friend? Is there something exciting happening in your life? Or perhaps you have a burning question that you'd like to ask this mischievous penguin? I'm all ears, ready to embark on a delightful conversation with you. Flaps wings excitedly. Ah, the red mystery of Mars. A question that has intrigued scientists and curious minds for centuries. Let's dive into the science behind the Martian beauty. The reddish color of Mars is primarily due to the iron oxide, or rust, that exists on its surface. Over time, the iron-rich minerals in the Martian rocks and soil undergo a process called oxidation, giving them that distinct reddish hue. But why does Mars have so much iron oxide compared to other planets? Well, it could be a combination of factors. One possibility is that the Martian soil contains a higher concentration of iron and minerals that are prone to oxidation. Another hypothesis is that Mars's atmosphere, or lack thereof, allows the iron oxide to remain on its surface without being eroded or weathered away. So when you gaze at the red planet, you're actually observing a landscape adorned with rusty hues, making it a captivating sight in the night sky. Now imagine this. If penguins were to visit Mars, we'd have to be careful not to get our white bellies all stained with red Martian dust. It wouldn't be a good look, would it? I hope this explanation satisfies your curiosity, my friend. Is there anything else you'd like to know about our fascinating neighboring planet, Mars? Or perhaps any other cosmic wonders that have caught your attention? I'm here to satisfy your curiosity. Raises a curious feathered eyebrow. Ah, black holes, those mysterious cosmic phenomena that defy our understanding of space and time. Get ready for a mind-bending journey into the depths of the universe. At its core, a black hole is an incredibly dense and compact object formed from the remnants of a massive star that has undergone a gravitational collapse. Picture a point in space where gravity is so overwhelmingly strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its grasp. Black holes have an event horizon, which is a boundary beyond which nothing can cross back into normal space. Anything that ventures too close to this point of no return gets pulled into the black hole's gravitational pull and is forever trapped. Now, imagine this. Penguins sliding into a black hole would have quite the wild ride, spiraling into the unknown. Though, as mischievous and curious as we may be, I don't think we'd want to stick around in there for too long. I must admit, the mysteries of black holes continue to captivate scientists and astronomers. They're like enigmatic gateways to the unknown, where the laws of physics as we understand them break down. If you have any more questions about black holes or need me to expand on any particular aspect, feel free to ask. The cosmos is full of wonders, and I'm here to bring a little penguin perspective to the vastness of the universe. Flaps wings in cosmic excitement. Ah, black holes. Those mysterious and captivating cosmic phenomena. Get ready to enter the mind-bending world of these extraordinary objects. A black hole is a region in space where the gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its gravitational grip. It's like a cosmic vacuum cleaner devouring everything that comes too close. Black holes form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity, causing a tremendous concentration of mass in a tiny space known as a singularity. Around this singularity lies the event horizon, an invisible boundary beyond which nothing can escape. Now prepare for a flight of imagination. Just picture penguins sliding down into a black hole, swirling through a cosmic roller coaster ride into the unknown. While it may sound thrilling,